How you doing? I'm Matt Gray with Ragged Island Brewing Company. COVID-19 has thrown a wrench into our long-term plans for our big build-out at our farm brewery. So we've had to change plans a little bit and focus back on a quicker path to get to the farm so we can serve customers out in a nice socially distanced setting. So for now, here at the tap room, we're no longer serving customers in the tap room. So that's been a big change for us. And we've started to really just can our product more, have a lot more options and variety out in the marketplace. People to take home and enjoy at their homes or in their own backyards. Plans for the future include converting one of the barns on the farm that we own for the ability to produce our beer, and then we can move out of the industrial park and move to our new home. Once we're out there, we think things will change quite a bit for us. People have been tremendous in supporting us by coming in and buying beer and taking it home. That is the best way for us to keep our doors open, is to keep selling beer directly to our customers. And now we're actually seeing a little bit of activity at the bars and restaurants in town as they start to reopen, and they're certainly buying our products. So you can see our product on draft out in town, and you're out there. Every time you order a Ragged Island, it certainly supports our business.